Hi guys, today we will talk about a tool is very nice, especially for fans of drawing. I am talking about brush tool. We have three main tools for drawing: paint brush tool, block brush tool, and pencil tool. We will start with paint brush tool, and for drawing easier, you should open brushes window. For open it, click on window and brushes. You find here some brushes, but these brushes weren't randomly placed, but each brush indicates a type of brush, and this is what we will talk about. There are 5 types of brushes: calligraphic brush, scatter brush, art brush, bristle brush, and pattern brush. The first type, calligraphic brush, is used for typing like a real pen. Like this, you can choose any one and type anything. And you can make a special brush for professional typing. Click on new brush, choose calligraphic brush, and you can change the angle, the roundness, and the size. Choose it and draw anything. The second type, scatter brush, is used for making a random drawing, like stars in the sky. For example, draw a star like this. Click on new brush, select scatter brush. Here you can name the brush, change the size and spacing, scatter, rotation. Click on OK. Choose a brush and draw anything. Double tap on brush. Click on preview. You can change the size. You can make it random for minimum and the maximum. Spacing, you can make it random for maximum and the minimum. Scatter, and rotation. Here rotation related to page or the path I draw. And the last thing, colorization. Click on OK. Apply. That is the final shape. The third type, art brush. This brush is used for drawing with arts or pictures. For example, I will make a brush from this tree. Select the tree and click on new brush. Select art brush. Okay. Select the brush tool and draw anything. Click again, double tap on the brush. You have here the width. You can increase or decrease the width. You have here the scale. Scale proportionally for the original scale. Stretch to fit stroke length. For stretch the scale. Stretch between guides. It will give you 2 lines to stretch between them. If I move it, the stretch will in this space only. And here I have the direction of drawing from up to down. I have the colorization and flip along, flip across, overlap. Apply to stroke. The fourth type is bristle brush. This brush is give you the experience of real brush. You have only here one bristle brush. If I select the brush tool and draw anything like real brush, and you have here some bristle brushes in the library of Adobe Illustrator. You can choose one of them. And again you can make a brush by yourself. Only click on new brush, choose bristle brush. Okay. Now choose the brush and double click. You can change the shape, the size, the bristle length, the bristle density, the bristle thickness, and the opacity, and the stiffness. The last type is pattern brush. This brush is used to repeat logos, photos, or text many times. I have here one pattern brush. I can use it like this, or I can make a shape and use the pattern in the stroke. And you can make your special pattern brush from your logo, photo, or text. For example, I have this shape and I will make a pattern brush from this star. Click on new brush, select pattern brush, okay, and choose the corner, and click OK, and draw any shape like rectangle. Click on the pattern brush, click again, double tap, and decrease the scale, and you have fit and flip and colorization. Click OK, apply, and I have this shape. But there are a small thing. If I wanted to make a pattern brush from a text, I should make outlines for the text before make the pattern brush. Click on create outlines and choose the text and add new brush, pattern brush, and I can make a new brush. The second tool, blow brush tool. This tool is used to fill drawing. But what is the difference between brush tool and blow brush tool? What will happen if I use brush tool in the filling? Both of them make the same lines. So what is the difference? The main difference between them if you make a mistake. Now I will fill this object by brush tool, like this. But if I make a mistake like this and choose direct selection tool, I have many points in the shape. I can't move that and return to the shape. But if I use block brush tool and use direct selection tool, I have the points on the borders of the shape. The last tool, pencil tool. This tool is used for drawing like a real pencil, like this. You can draw anything, and you have only two things in this tool. Alt button for straight lines in any direction, and Shift button for move 45 degree. Now for example, I will draw this bird by brush tool. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.